Did you know Brazil is currently experiencing an invasion? But no, this isn't just any invasion. A fleet of Chinese ships has delivered thousands of electric vehicles, sparking a wave of controversy. Is this technology a blessing or a curse? Let's delve into the criticisms, concerns, and the potential benefits of this significant event. The Grand Arrival. This past Monday, an extraordinary event took place at the swap port in Pernambuco, capturing the nation's attention. The vessel Explorer 01, a behemoth of the seas, docked with thousands of electric cars from China. But why is this event so significant? And why are many referring to it as a veritable technological invasion? To understand the beginning, BYD, one of the world's leading electric vehicle manufacturers, decided to tackle a major logistical challenge by building its own fleet of ships. These vessels, known as RoRo, roll-on/roll-off, are specifically designed to transport vehicles. The Explorer 01 is the first of 8 ships the company plans to operate by 2026. This ship can carry up to 7,500 cars at once, making the transport logistics far more efficient and swift. But why choose Brazil as one of the first destinations for this operation? The Brazilian market is booming, particularly in the electric vehicle sector. With growing environmental awareness and government incentives, the demand for these cars is on the rise. Moreover, the choice of swap was not random. The port is among the most modern and well-equipped in Brazil, capable of handling complex, large-scale operations like unloading thousands of vehicles simultaneously. The arrival of this ship is not just a logistical operation but a milestone in BYD's global strategy. By investing in its own fleet, the company shows long-term vision and commitment to innovation and efficiency. This not only ensures that its vehicles reach international markets more quickly but also reduces transportation costs and the risks associated with relying on third parties. The unloading process at the swap port was meticulously planned to ensure each car was handled correctly. However, this technological invasion raises many questions. Is the Brazilian infrastructure ready to handle this influx of electric vehicles? And how will Brazilian consumers react to this new offering? What makes this arrival so intriguing is the contrasting opinions. On one side, there are those who view the arrival of Chinese electric cars as an opportunity to modernize Brazil's vehicle fleet and reduce pollutant emissions. On the other, critics question the quality of these vehicles and the challenges they may pose to local infrastructure. Are these vehicles truly reliable? And what are the main concerns of Brazilian consumers? Share your thoughts below. Critiques on the quality of Chinese electric cars. The arrival of Chinese electric cars in Brazil has been met with a mix of enthusiasm and skepticism. While some see these vehicles as a chance for modernization, others are deeply wary of the quality of Chinese products. Anyone buying these Chinese junkers will regret it, is a sentiment echoed across social media and consumer conversations. But where does this distrust stem from? And are these criticisms valid? One frequent critique concerns the durability of the batteries. Many consumers worry about the lifespan of these batteries, comparing them unfavorably with other brands. This concern highlights fears that the batteries in Chinese electric cars may not offer the expected longevity or reliability, leading to high replacement and maintenance costs. Additionally, there are concerns about vehicle safety. Reports of mechanical failures and incidents involving Chinese electric cars have increased Brazilian consumers' distrust. The notion that these vehicles might be more prone to fires or other safety issues is a significant deterrent for potential buyers. The question of quality also extends to the materials and components used in manufacturing these cars. Many believe that Chinese electric vehicles are made with inferior materials and lack the engineering and design level of more established brands. This perception may be influenced by past experiences with lower-quality Chinese products, fueling a stigma that's hard to overcome. There's also a heated debate about the environmental impact of these vehicles. Concerns aren't just about battery durability but also about what happens when they reach the end of their life. Does Brazil have the infrastructure to handle the disposal and recycling of these batteries? Without proper solutions, there's a risk of turning an air pollution problem into a soil pollution issue. Another point of contention is the sustainability of electric cars in Brazil's energy context. Phrases like, "If there's no place to dispose of dead batteries, where's the environmental protection?" and "it's going to be the electric bill that comes higher than a luxury hotel," reflect concerns about the impact a growing fleet of electric cars might have on Brazil's electrical grid, which already faces significant challenges. Increased electricity demand could lead to higher utility bills and more strain on existing infrastructure. There's widespread distrust in import policies and the motives behind this invasion of Chinese electric cars. The perception that Brazil is being used as a dumping ground for inferior quality products is a sentiment that cannot be ignored.